Most people look at a website and see a finished product. But for developers, it's a living, breathing conversation between a browser and a server. If you've ever felt like coding is some kind of digital sorcery reserved for math geniuses, I'm here to break that illusion. Having said that, today we're pulling back the curtain on web development, what it actually is, how it works, and why it's essentially just a high-tech construction project. Think of building a website like building a house. You need three specific layers to make it functional. First, you have HTML, which is your skeleton, the wooden beams, and the foundation. Without it, there's no structure. Next is CSS, your interior design. This is the paint, the furniture, and the vibe that make people actually want to stay. Finally, there's JavaScript. This is the electricity and the plumbing. It's the logic that makes things happen when you flip a switch or click a button. In the industry, we split the work into two main roles. Imagine a coffee shop. The front end is everything you see: the menu, the seating, and the barista. It's what the user interacts with. The back end is the kitchen and the warehouse. You don't see it, but it's where the magic happens: managing orders, checking inventory, and keeping things secure. If you can do both, you're what we call a full-stack developer, the manager who understands the whole operation. But how does it actually work? When you type a URL, you're placing an order. Your browser sends a request to a server, which is just a powerful computer far away. That server looks through its kitchen, finds the files you asked for, and sends back a response. Your browser then takes those raw files and assembles them into the beautiful website you see. It happens in milliseconds, but it's a constant back and forth handshake happening billions of times a day. The best part? You don't need a fancy degree to start. In 2026, tools like VS Code and GitHub are your best friends, and AI has become the ultimate co-pilot, helping you write cleaner code faster, not replacing you. Web development isn't about memorizing every line of code. It's about creative problem solving. If you can think logically, you can build for the web. Web development is the closest thing we have to a superpower, the ability to create something out of nothing. But a superpower is only useful if you know how to wield it. If you're feeling that itch to stop using the internet and actually start building it, we've put together some beginner-friendly paths over at ReadyFireAim to help you take that next step. Whether you're curious about the development as a whole or just want to see if this is for you, the roadmap is waiting. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.